Welcome back to News 3 Today at 11. It's an annual event that pairs local community figures with area children for one day of fun, interaction, and guidance. Later this month, Chatham County Summer Bonanza Partnership hosts its Mentor for a Day initiative. Angela Dorsey is the organization's executive director. She joins us now with more. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
So before we get to that particular event, let's go back to this past weekend when you took area students, about 55 students and volunteers, to visit the Sheriff's Complex.
Yes, we had an awesome engagement with Sheriff Richard Coleman at the Chatham County Sheriff's Complex. He and his staff just welcomed the children. He had a very good heart-to-heart conversation with the children and wanted to just test the waters to see if they were making good decisions, healthy choices, staying out of trouble, and really concentrating on their education and looking forward to being our future leaders. And so after they had that exchange, Sheriff Coleman deputized them as junior deputies. It was awesome. They had a great time. And then we toured the facility and heard about some career opportunities, and the children had a great lunch that was sponsored by the Sheriff's Department. So April Jackson, she's the programs manager. She helped to put it all together, and the sheriff said, yes, bring them in. So we were very grateful to have that experience.
And everything you do has a purpose. It seems like fun to the children, but this, you had a specific reason behind this tour.
Absolutely. We want to make sure that our children are understanding this is a critical time in their lives. And as young people, they have a responsibility of being good citizens. And we have to mold and shape that, remind them every day that the choices that they make now can really launch them into their greatness. We know there's greatness inside them, but at the same time, if they're hanging with people that are not good, good voices, and if they're not paying attention to listening to their parents and their advisors, their directors, they could land in an opposite direction that could lead them to a bad place. And so we wanted to show them that there are people that just make bad decisions, and as a result, they land in a detention center. And we don't want our children to go that way.
Now, a big part of their development lies within the community.
Absolutely.
And that's where your Mentor for a Day program comes in.
Absolutely. And Dr. Priscilla Thomas, our founder, and her husband, Deacon Thomas, had an awesome vision. They wanted to have a collaboration or partnership with the community to help support our youth in their development. So we have community partners that we're looking forward to working with them on Saturday, July 19th, in our annual Mentor for a Day program. So it's a day of education, of learning, of just interacting with the community. The children get a chance to be heard. We always tell them to listen to your parents and listen to your pastors and your teachers, but we want on this day for our community officials to listen to the children, hear their hopes and dreams and even their fears, and offer good mentoring tips that they can take away that full day and for the rest of their lives. And so we'll have fun and play some games also.
Now we're running out of time, but how can people get involved with the program, and who should they contact?
Well, we need more mentors to come out. We have an email address that I'd like to give you. It's adorsey704@gmail.com. We especially need our male mentors to come out and just spend 2 hours with our children to have a meaningful event and engagement.
All right, Angela Dorsey, thank you so much for joining us. For more information, you can go to our website, wsav.com/ Summer Bonanza. We appreciate you so much and all
Thank
that you do.
Thank you.
Stay with us. You're watching WSAV News 3 Today at 11. We'll be right back.